Hi and welcome back. In this video I want to talk a little bit about pages in Fireworks CS5. And you can see over here in my panels I actually have a tab for pages right now. And I've actually have quite a few pages in this document. You can see they're numbered there. I actually have 9 total pages. And each page can have its own items on it. You can also see that each page can have its own size canvas. For example, here my canvas size is different. It's 500 by 250, whereas most of the others are going to be 600 by 400. So each individual page can have its own properties. And you can see here's page 2. That's that collage banner that we created. And it's actually page 9 in the document, even though these are called 1 and 2. You can very easily rename these pages. You simply right click on it and say rename page. And I can go ahead and name this photo collage. And then I can click on page 1 here and I could rename that sailboat. Actually, that's going to be the blue sailboat. So you can very easily rename your pages. You can also drag your pages around. For example, I can drag page 8 here, the blue sailboat, down below photo 9. And you're going to see page 8 becomes a photo collage and 9 is now the blue sailboat. So you can reorder them just by simply dragging them around. You can also right click on these items and duplicate the pages. So if you've got a specific style, a specific canvas size that you want to repeat, maybe a different background color, you can just simply duplicate the page. And now I have page 10 here, blue sailboat copy, which again I could rename it, or I could delete it just simply by clicking delete page. So this feature of adding and deleting pages inside of, I didn't show you how to add a page. If you want to duplicate a page, you just right click on it and say duplicate, but you also have the new page option there. And if I click on that, there's my new page number 10 there. And then again, right click and delete. So this is a really great, easy to use feature inside of Fireworks that will allow you to keep all of your graphic assets, regardless of whether they're a raster image or a vector image, or regardless of which page they're in, or area of the website they're in. You can keep everything in one file instead of having a whole bunch of different files. So that's the Pages option.